Hi, so your code is ready. So I have made it exe so that you don't need to install Python and all other things. But if you want to install Python and the other things and use this file, this main.py file, you can use that. Also, there is the source code, so you can edit or change that in future if you need. And you can just use this main.exe file so that you don't need to install Python and all the other requirements and everything. And how to install the requirements and everything you will find here. You need to install Python at first, download and install. Then you need to use this command to install the requirements, and then you can run the main.py file. So for now, I will show you that how you can just simply run the main.exe file and use the bot. So all your downloaded files will be here, and this is your credential text. So you need to put your email service providers IMAP host. So this is for Gmail, and this is your account. There will be your account mail. So I have used one of my test accounts, and this is the app password. So in Google there is no more app, less secure password. So you need to generate app password if you are using Gmail. So you can generate that from just go to manage accounts. Then you can find security, and there you at first you need to turn on the two-step verification. When you turn on the two-step verification, there will be another option for uh, the app password generating. You just click on that and generate a app password, and you can then copy the app password and put that here. So with that app password, the script or the software can only access some subtle thing, but it can't access your administrator. It can't do anything serious with your account. Okay, so it is actually safer. So and then there is the data sheet. So here you need to put all your informations, and here will be your numbers and other things that you want to search by. And after if any file is found and downloaded, then there will be written that done. Okay, so I have for test purpose I have set it to files. Let me show you. Okay, so I have come to wrong. Okay, so this is the mailbox. Okay, so here this is the I will test with these two mails. So you can there is this code in this body, and also there is this text in this body, and here there is two file, and here there is one file. So if there is more than one file, then the rename will be like I'll show you. Okay, let's uh, let's give it a shot, and let's see what the outcome is. So you make sure that all your related files are closed when you are running the bot. So just open it. Okay, so for the first time it may ask to it may seem something like this, or if you have antivirus, then it may try to prevent this, because this kind of softwares are not published anywhere, so these are uh, marked as virus. Okay, because there is you can see unknown publisher, that's why it is marked as virus. So I'm running it anyway. and so at first it will logged in, then it will go for the search, and this is the keyword. Okay, so it is renaming the file as this. Okay, so all is done. Let's see that what is the outcome. At first in the Excel sheet we can see that both are done, so this file should be done, downloaded perfectly. Okay, so here you can see there is two images and one file and these are the search keys. uh, let's match it. Okay, so you can see that for the first mail, for this mail I search that go again or something like that, and there was two file. So it has downloaded two files, and the first file is just named by the search keyword, and the second one is the search keyword and a number 2. If there are 5 files, then the number the names will be like the keyword and then keyword 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like that. Here it is go again for and go again for 2, like go again for 3, go again for 4, like that. And for this keyword there was only one file, so it is just like this rename. Okay, and let's also see that we have already downloaded these two files. So what if we run the programming in, what will be the outcome? So let's also see that it will download it again or what. So let's just run it. It is logged in successfully. Okay, so it has done nothing because there was no file left that is not downloaded. That's why it hasn't downloaded anything new. Okay, so this is it, and give it a try. And if there is any problem that you think it's a problem or not working or anything else, you can just ask me. I will try to support you. Okay, so that's it.